guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Val, and for today I just wanted to share with you my experience in this particular restaurant. And I'm not really sure if I mentioned to you before, or yeah, maybe I did. In one of my videos I was eating in this particular Korean restaurant. I mentioned there that one of my favorite food is Korean food. So basing it on my experience, I never really had a negative one when it comes to Korean restaurants. So when I saw the Premier the Samgyeopsal restaurant, I immediately got enticed. I said I've got to try this one. So I just took some clips here and there, and then I'm gonna tell you my thoughts later on at the very end of the video. And of course, if you're new here in my channel and if you like these kinds of video, click on the subscribe button down below and a notification bell beside it so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Ayun, so let's go ahead with the video. Ayun na nga, guys. I don't know if you noticed in the video, I was a little bit disappointed kasi yun nga, ang tagal nilang nag-refill nung mga items, and for the price of 600 pesos, I don't think it was worth it kasi hindi nila sinabi sa amin na may mga iba palang items na hindi available, and I think that is unfair. I think before you offer a product, kailangan sabihin mo muna sa customer mo if those products are available before they actually avail it, 'di ba? Hindi yung magpo-promote ka, sabihin mo, oh yeah, you can upgrade to the 600 pesos and you can get everything. So yeah, medyo na-disappoint ako doon kasi ang dami naming hindi na-try. I think this is the first Korean restaurant that didn't have a ano yung tawag doon? Kimchi. Yun, wala silang kimchi. So parang sabi ko, parang may mali. Parang ganon. So first yun nga, parang na-deceive kami dun sa price. Parang gano'n. Parang I just felt ripped off. Sorry for the term, but I'm just being honest. I mean, matakaw ako. Marami akong kumain, pero I mean, kaya nga siya eat all you can, diba? So, ang dami kong hindi na-try. Wala sila ng mga chicken. Hindi namin na-try yung chicken. Ang nilagay lang nila sa table namin is yung slices of beef ba yung tawag doon. I think that is called the samgyup kind of meat. Wala rin yung bulgogi. Yung bulgogi, the latter part na nung kumakain kami, saka lang nila sinerve. Tapos sobrang konti pa, na parang ayaw na nila kaming bigyan. Parang ganon. Tapos yung side dishes, I wasn't really impressed. Yeah, parang wala, hindi talaga ako na-impressed. So, customer service, I mean, madali akong ma-please. As in, sobrang mabilis akong ma-please when it comes to customer service. For me, you just smile, you take good care of your customers really good. Pasado ka na sa akin, parang ganon. Pero this time, parang, I don't know, ang dami nila doon, pero parang super busy silang lahat. Parang ganon. Parang there was no time for interaction. There was, parang lagi sila nagmamadali. And the time na nagpunta kami doon, hindi pa siya ganon ka-busy. I think we were just, mga 4 or 5 tables lang kami, ang dami nila doon. Kasi hindi naman siya peak hour nung pumunta kami doon. So I really didn't like it. I'm sorry. For the price of 600 pesos, I'm pretty sure you're going to find more value na mas masarap, at the same time mas maganda yung customer service, mas marami yung food, mas sulit. Yeah, I think there's gonna be more options. I mean, kung hindi lang Korean restaurant ang hanap ninyo, I'd rather go to Vikings, diba? Kakita nyo naman yung previous video ko. I mean, it's not comparable, yes, kasi hindi naman siya Korean restaurant. But what I'm saying is, yun nga, yung amount ng food na makukuha ninyo for the amount of 600 pesos. So yun, so I wasn't really happy. Maybe I'm just gonna rate it about 7 out of 10, actually 6.5, somewhere around that price rating. So ayun, I was really disappointed with the experience, and yun nga, I don't think I'm going to be back. But well, marami din naman ako nakain na beef, so I think kaya nabigyan ko pa sila ng 6.5. Malinis naman yung place, yes, very very clean. Tapos yun nga, lagi napansin nyo siguro sa video, they were always changing the griller kasi nga medyo mabilis siyang masunog. So yun, I give it to them. Sobrang bilis nila, attentive sila doon sa part na yun. But yeah, the location medyo mahirap namin siya nakita. It was located in a wing na parang hindi mo makikita kung hindi mo talaga siya dadayuhin. So ayun na nga, that is all I can say, and I hope nakatulong yung video na to, and I'm sorry if ayun nga, hindi ko talaga siya nagustuhan. Sobrang na-disappoint talaga ako. Ako, mabilis pa man din akong ma-please when it comes to food. Pero this time, no, I wasn't really impressed. Yun lang. Wala na akong masabi pa kasi parang ayoko na magsalita ng negative. Nalulungkot ako. So, ayun nga. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And, of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Leave me some likes and comments. Alam nyo na yan, favorite ko talaga nagbabasa ng comments ninyo. So, see you on my next one, guys. Bye!